Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Today we have a new exercise 4.3, question number 4. Find all the critical points, functions in the following problems. And determine where the graph of the function is rising, falling, concave up, concave down, sketch the graph. Part A, f of x is equal to 2 into x plus 20 whole square minus 8 x plus 20 plus 7. Now, first of all, we are find the critical points. For the critical points, we first of all we find the first derivative of this function, and this derivative must be equal to 0. Means that we are finding f dash x is equal to 0 for the critical points. From the critical points, we find this result. F dash x, we are differentiating this function with respect to x. Differentiating this function with respect to x on both sides of the equation. We get here dy by dx, f of x is equal to dy by dx 2 into x plus 20 whole square minus 8 into x plus 20 plus 7. We are differentiating this function with respect to x. We can write this f dash x, f prime, we can say that f of x. So derivative of this function 2 is constant outside. Here we are using dy by dx. We are taking here power rule. Minus 8 is constant. If we can write dy by dx x plus 20 and plus derivative with respect to x constant value is 0. Now here according to the power rule 2 n xn minus 1, and here x plus 20 and 2 minus 1, and further derivative of this function x derivative is 1. Similarly 8, here x derivative is 1 and plus 20 derivative is 0 plus 7 derivative is 0. we simplify this result, we get the result here. F dash x is equal to 4 into x plus 20, 2 minus 1 1, and minus 8 multiplied by 1 minus 8. So according to the first condition for the critical point, so if dash x is equal to 0, we put here 0, and 4x plus 80 minus 8. So we subtract this result. 0 is equal to 4x plus 80 minus, we get here 72. This implies that here 4x is equal to minus 72, dividing both sides by 4, both are cancelled, and here we get minus 18. Here the point x is equal to 8 is the critical points. Hence, x is equal to minus 18. First answer we get. Now we want to check whether the graph of the function is rising, falling, in concave, up or down, or we are needed the second derivative of this function. So we are differentiate. Now we give here the name of the second equation. We are differentiating now again differentiating the above function, the above first derivative dy by dx, f dash x is equal to dy by dx 4 into x plus 20 minus 8. So if we are differentiate this result, if double dash x, so we can write here 4 dy by dx x plus 20 minus dy by dx into 8. So the result is here 1 multiplied by, we can do here one step, 4 into derivative of 1, 4 x derivative is 1 and plus 20 is derivative is 0 and minus is 0. We get here 4. If we get here 4, if we substitute x in the place of x, we put minus 18, the critical points, double dash. So that is 4 is greater than 0. So the function is the graph of this function is, so the graph of this function is concave upward, concave up. Here it means that the second derivative of this function f double dash x is greater than 0. So here the graph is concave upward. So, and we are making the graph of this, sketch the graph, this function, sketch the graph, that is y and y dash, that is origin, x and x dash, and here x is equal to, we have get x is equal to minus 18, the critical point. So at that is 9 minus 9, that is minus 18, and here is 9 and plus 18. Now, so the graph is increasing by concave upward in this position, concave up.